What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel as I share my passion for food and New England, especially food in the Boston area and wherever I go. Because, Boston doesn't have one of these called the palm trees. We are in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, the entire Miami area. But we're trying two iconic places that have built up such a rep that I have to go there to see if it's for real. To make sure you spend your hard-earned money the right way. That's the kind of thing you're into. Hit the subscribe button and join this channel, because the real shoots it straight. And let's go to work. I was recommended this place by Leslie, and she did a good job. She sent me out to my favorite part in all of South Florida, Little Havana. There wasn't that many seats and parking, and they do have bathrooms in house. You know I gotta mention the trilogy. They had drinks I didn't like, including Pepsi, because we all want Coke. So I want some yuca fries. They ran out of them. They gave me these sweet potato fries and they overcooked them a little bit. Cliff ordered some mozzarella stick wannabes without cheese that had pork inside. The mayo kind of sauce that they gave you with the fries made the experience so much better for the fries to be overcooked. I thought the sauce was delicious. I thought it would be good for the video that I show me trying these wannabe mozzarella sticks that were pork inside. I just wasn't impressed. The pork had no seasoning in it. It was just plain Jane for me. I tried it with the verde salsa. I think they were trying to put together here. Very similar to a verde salsa. And it didn't do it for me. Look at how perfectly grilled this Cuban bread is. That is the absolute color that you want. Look at the ham, how shiny. You can see that the meat's going to be juicy. It's going to be tender. Excited to have this. It looked like a grilled cheese. Perfectly melted cheese on one side of this sandwich. This is what a Cuban sandwich is supposed to look like. I'm telling you right now, texture can make or break a sandwich, and you want to bite into a sandwich with a little crispiness and go all the way through, because you want the meat to be easy to chew. You want it to be tender, juicy, delicious, cooked right, and look at the perfectly grilled toasted Cuban bread. I thought coming down to South Florida to see my boy Cliff and doing one video would have been enough. But I had to go to South Beach to try Joe's. Very popular. They do have plenty of parking. The inside of the restaurant has more than enough seating and bathrooms in-house. They have the trilogy. When I saw New England clam chowder with bacon, I already got frustrated. Only salt pork goes in the clam chowder. But I call it how it is. Joe's shut me right the hell up with their zubidi mussels. So we're here for the main event, but I gotta tell you that these fried shrimp were out of this world. Of course, everybody in South Florida loves this right here. We're gonna get to it in a minute. Their creamy spinach, out of this world as well. Perfect execution. And the hash browns seem like they're a little bit too much full of butter, but it just worked. You weren't gonna argue. Look, in New England, we deal with cracking open lobster all the time, but this was very difficult to peel off the small pieces, and I was dying to try this because everybody down here says it's the best, and I tried it with the special mustard sauce that Joe's has. I gotta tell you right now, it tasted like chicken. It was bland. It had no seafood, and especially crab flavor. You put this up against blue crab in Maryland, and you're going to die. I'm in the car! So now I can talk shit. This is weeks in the making of me doing the finale of this video. I've been super busy. I'm excited to tell every one of you that my Vegas trip, my World Series of Poker trip, and me showing you all of my favorite spots when I used to live in Las Vegas, those videos are coming up. But let's talk about Miami. I went to Joe's Stone Crab. I was super excited to go here. Famous, recommended to me by Leslie. She does an awesome job in her videos on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description below. Check her out. But the stone crab was a joke. I don't think you people understand around the rest of this country and the world how good New England seafood is. I don't think you understand it because all of you are leaving comments saying, I went to New England, seafood wasn't that good. Then you didn't know where the hell to go. If you come to Boston and you don't have our fried clams, you don't have our haddock, you don't have our lobster from Maine, and you don't have a North Shore beef, you didn't do it right. Joe's was fantastic. The ambience, the service, everything on the menu, especially the mussels marinara, or the zubi the mussels. But the stone crab was shit. It was impossible to break apart. It was cold. No salt levels whatsoever. It didn't taste like fish or crab, like it's supposed to taste like. It tasted like chicken. If you put that against blue crab in Maryland, you're not just going to lose, you're going to get stomped. As far as La Sanguich being the best Cuban sandwich I had in the South Florida area, absolutely. Is it better than my Cuban sandwich? No, not even close. But definitely the best to go out to eat and enjoy. La Sanguich, very good job. Those sweet potato fries, get rid of them. You don't overcook sweet potato fries, first of all. That is like rule number one. Awesome job, Joe's, the service, everything else. Stone crab itself just sucks. La Sanguich, good job on the Cuban sandwich, but you're nowhere near the rails. Hit the subscribe button. This is the kind of content that you're in for. The Vegas trip is coming. Much more stuff coming. Super excited. This is the kind of content you're not into. Then piss off. That's it, I'm done!